Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my portfolio in event management. My logo and my company name is Display Dynamics and our tagline is Trade Shows Capitol, address Bibito, Parañaque City, and my contact number 0966-646-6966. My email address is Display Dynamics 33@gmail.com.
Pero lapit ka onte.
Display Dynamics.
Hindi, lapit ka lang.
And display about with nearly 20 years of experience as an expat abroad and a former design director and head of research and development program of one of the world's biggest interior exhibits and event company, the Pico International, I decided to set a new challenge and vision. I wanted to introduce a new approach to the Philippine market by establishing Display Dynamics. Mission: operate profitably and achieve excellence, recognition, and respect as leaders in exhibition management and the service industry within Philippines and around the world by providing trade platforms for various sectors to practice trade and bilateral relations. Vision: to be the premier provider of exhibitions, events, and promotional services all under one roof. Our objectives: overall exhibitions aim to engage audiences, convey information effectively, and create meaningful experience that resonate with visitors, whether through commercial transactions, historical insights, educational purposes, or research dissemination. Our company vicinity map. Service offered: AV technical support, graphic designer, event management, marketing and promotion, management capabilities, logistics, consider space
Bullet lang.
requirements.
Bullet lang.
Logistic, timing, speaker,
Ano?
Bullet lang. Logistic, timing.
Logistics, timing, speaker management, event organization team, organizational chart. Then, Roland Indios, event director, MJ Shauta, event coordinator, Marco Santos, event manager, Joshua Sabrena, budget manager. Our previous event, this event,
Proposal.
Ang Diasosena, manager at vice ng Stala upang Muntinlupa City sa proposal for event management services. Dear Mr. Assistant, I invite to propose my intent to participate in upcoming Display Dynamic Art Showcase event from February 5, 2025 to February 6, 2025. We are excited to present our exhibit titled Reflection of Nature. We are excited to be part of your exhibit. We look forward to discussing how we can collaborate and ensure our participation aligns with the exhibit objectives. Thank you for considering our proposal. Sincerely, Eddie Dishana, event coordinator. Proposal to akin na Display Dynamics show on February 5, 2025 at World Trade Center, Metro Manila. The sponsor, our Diasosena, proposed date of the event, February 5, 2025. Event outline of the event at showcase, event in display fashion. Estimated duration time of the event, 4 hours. Venue, World Trade Center, Metro Manila. This is our core plan. Venue. Display Dynamics is an exhibit event with trade and any interactive display and other historical artifacts. Well, February 5, 2025, World Trade Center, Metro Manila.
Baba mo, Mike.
2. Fashion designers, new fashion artists, fashion lovers, and influencer house. Those who are interested in historical artifacts and artworks.
invitation.
This is our
Our
ticket.
invitation, ticket, flyers,
Poster.
proposal, venue, World Trade Center, Metro Manila, event date, February 5, 2025. 10 to 11, opening remarks. 11 to 12, the artist introduction. 12 to 1, break time. 1 to 2, short intermission number. 2 to 4, gallery open. 4 to 5, closing remarks. Our main course, drinks,
Appetizer, dessert.
appetizers, desserts. Budget outline set date.
Subtotal.
Our subtotal is 590,500. Grand total. 838,510.
Option B.
Bali total set B is 1,181,000.
1,000.
And grand total is 1,677,000.
20.
20. Reputation for major rental,
Huwag kang
300,000. Our reputation for catering services is 75,000. Memorandum of agreement.
Financial agreement.
Financial arrangement. The client shall pay the provider as follows. Total amount of 1,677,020. Payment schedule 50%. When signing this agreement, 800,000. 30% bali naman before the event. Matay. Tuloy lang.
Hindi, tuloy mo lang.
Bali naman before the event.
Nasa mo.
Nasa mga bonus mo.
Nasa mo lang.
500,000.
Huwag kang tumawa.
20%.
20% bidding 1 week before the event.
Nasa mo, hindi ka narinig.
20. SWOT analysis. Strengths the positive aspects of your exhibit that give you an advantage. Weaknesses the negative aspects of your exhibit that limit your potential. Opportunities, external factors that create favorable conditions for success.
Payment of terms. Sabi mo, reservation agreement. This is our
Reservation agreement is made and entered into by in between.
payment terms.
Payment terms, an unrefundable deposit of 20,000 is due upon execution of this agreement to confirm the reservation. The remaining balance must be paid in full no later than February 5, 2025. Payment may be made by bank transfer.
Search mo.
Is
Diyan is what? May permit.
business permit.
SWOT?